So as a doctor, this is a really exciting moment. NHS staff around the country at vaccination hubs such as this one we're here at today have been working tirelessly to make sure that we are prepared to commence vaccination on Tuesday. This feels like the beginning of the end, but of course it's a marathon, not a sprint, and it will take many months for us to vaccinate everybody who needs vaccination.
People will be given the first of 2 doses of the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine that's being manufactured in Belgium. It has to be stored at -75 degrees Celsius. But the government hopes the AstraZeneca, Oxford and Moderna vaccines will also be approved soon. Care home staff and residents are the first group on the list to be vaccinated. Then people aged over 80 and health and social care workers.
So hospitals like this see many elderly people every day of the week. So they'll be taking the opportunity to make sure those over 80 who will be in the hospital, either an outpatient or perhaps being discharged this week, will get the vaccination first. We'll also be working with local care homes to make sure care home staff who've been doing such a great job during the pandemic also get their vaccine. And of course, high-risk health workers will also be in the queue as well.
Doctors' surgeries have been told to start preparing to distribute shots. The military has already helped with mass testing programs, and it will also coordinate the logistics of deploying the vaccine across the country. As for the impact of a potential no-deal Brexit, the government says if that happens, it won't affect its COVID-19 vaccination plans.
Whatever the outcome, whatever the deal, that medicines and medical devices and vaccines reach anyone in all parts of the country in the same way without any interruption at all. And we've rehearsed, we're ready, and we know that whatever the deal, we will be able to ensure that people have access.
The British government is aiming to have 800,000 doses of the vaccine available this year. It's a start, but a drop in the ocean, as millions of people will need to be vaccinated for the world to have a shot at defeating COVID-19. Nicole Johnston, CGTN, London.